So, I finished all of my soft parts. They are all done. For this video, we're going to be talking about how I made the pants for the Mandalorian flight suit. These things were complicated. They were made in 3 separate pieces per leg. The ideal order in which to make pants is the crotch seam, the inseam, and then the outer seam. But with the way these put together, I had to do the outer seam first, and that just caused problems. But I did it. They are done. And I am just thrilled to be finished with the sewing part of my Mandalorian flight suit project. I have photos of all of the completed pieces. I finished all the hemming, all of the sleeves, all of the trimming. Yeah, it feels good. I'm so glad to be done. And be able to move on to the next part of this project, which will be armor. But we will cover that in the next couple of videos. I will talk about that more later. Anyway, on to the pants part of this project. I already had the pieces cut out from when I had cut out the pieces from my flight jacket, because these were made of the same fabric. I used the pattern from the Din Djarin flight suit packet. The pattern called for each leg to be made of 3 pieces stitched together to create the stitching pattern seen on the show. Had I known I was going to spend 2 days pinning the pieces together, I would have done it much simpler, cutting the pattern into 2 pieces and adding the decorative stitching later on. I pinned all of the pieces together, overlapping the seam allowances to prevent any fraying, and of course sewed everything together on my machine. This was a complicated process because due to the pattern being in the 3 pieces, the outside seams had already been finished, so I had to sew them together kind of inside out. I added a waistband with leftover pink fabric from the tunic and used elastic to cinch it all together so it would fit me around my waist. I made it high-waisted, more towards my natural waist than towards the hips, so that the jacket would overlap and create one continuous line from the shoulders to the ankle. I'm so excited to have made so much progress. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Tune in next time for painting some Mandalorian plate armor. I already have it 3D printed in a box, ready to go. I am very excited to get started on this next leg. See you guys next time.